Hi, welcome to getcalley.com. In this video, we will discuss how to sync and do an auto import of leads using Google Sheet Import in the Calley Pro web panel. Log in to the web panel located at https://app.getcalley.com using a valid email and password. As soon as you log in, you will be directed to the Calley Pro dashboard. Calley Pro allows you to load leads using Google Sheet Import. Using the Google Sheet Import feature, you can load as many as 100,000 records at once for distribution into the calling list. To upload a calling list, hover over the call list and click on Google Sheet Import at the top navigation bar. Now let's say you run an ad campaign wherein all the leads are collected in a Google Sheet and you want those leads to be added to the Calley list automatically, so that you can do a first call with them. Then this is the perfect utility for you. You can use the Google Sheet Sync functionality to import your leads to Calley and start automating your outbound calling process to these leads. Click on Sign in with Google and connect your Google account to Calley. Please choose and link the Google account that you would like to synchronize with Calley. Once your Google account is connected, you will get a drop-down of sheets available in your drive. Select the sheet you want to import. Please note that the drop-down will only show Google Sheets created in the account. Any XLS or Excel file uploaded in the Google Drive will not be listed here. This is a sample Google Sheet we are going to import. Like in other imports, Calley will need 3 mandatory fields: name, phone and notes. Give a name to your list. Click on Submit. On this page, you can map the Google Sheet column headings with the Calley fields. Unlike Calley Personal, which only allows you to map 3 fields, the Calley Pro subscription allows you to map 15 more fields from your uploaded sheet. 3 fields are mandatory for the mapping: name, phone, and notes. Map first name. Map phone. Map notes. Once the mapping is done, you can click on Import Data. You get a success prompt confirming that the import process has started. After successfully importing the data, you will be able to see the calling list created in the panel. The Google Sheet contains a total of 10,000 records. Currently, 2,000 records have been imported, and the remaining data will be added to the system in the next 30 minutes. Calley will automatically search for new records in the Google Sheet at regular intervals and assign them to the respective list in the system. If you wish to do a manual sync, click on the provided link in front of the calling list created. Confirm the action. And you can see the new leads imported in the system after a manual sync request. This is needed in case you want to do an on-demand sync of data. If you do not do this, then also the leads will be distributed automatically over a scheduled period of 15 minutes. You can click on the list name to see the leads imported. On this page, you can see all the leads imported into the calling list you just created. You will now need to install the mobile app on your Android or iPhone to make your first call. Details of the calls you made will be updated automatically with the web panel, and you can see the reporting for the calls done on this page. You can download the mobile app to auto dial calls. The link to download the app is available from the web panel.